Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to track your iPhone on a PC or a MacBook. So if you lost your iPhone or you misplaced it and you want to track it on your PC or your MacBook, or you want to see where it is, then let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up a web browser. Here I've opened up Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you want to go ahead and type iCloud.com. Now here you want to go ahead and sign in to your iCloud account. Now, if you don't have the device, it'll ask you for a two-factor authentication. However, you don't have the device, so you can go ahead and tap on Can't Get to Your Devices. And then it'll ask you if you want to call. So we'll go ahead and tap on Text a code to this number. If you cannot use that number, you can go ahead and tap on Can't Use this number. And then you can go ahead and select the alternative number. Now, once you're in, go ahead and tap on Trust. And now to find your lost iPhone, go ahead and Find My just here. Go ahead and tap on this. And this will now show you what you have. So in my example, I've got the 16 Pro Max, I have the AirPods, and I have the MacBook Pro. So now it'll start getting the location for your device. So as you can see, if I click on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, it'll tell me exactly where this device is. And by using this information, I can go ahead and track my iPhone using my PC or my MacBook. So there you go, guys. That is how to track your iPhone on a PC or a MacBook.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.